Trying black water for the first time, kinda nervous. Ta-da! Okay, so I wanted to do this since forever now and I think today is the day. Hello everyone, welcome to first episode of Small Bites with Saksham, जहाँ पे हम अपने फॉलोअर्स के हिसाब से अपना बजट रखते हैं और उसी बजट के अंदर हम खाना लेकर आते हैं और खाते हैं। और इसके लिए क्राइटेरिया होगा कि नंबर 1 ऐसे आइटम्स जो मैंने कभी ट्राई नहीं किए, नंबर 2 ऐसे आइटम्स जो मैंने बहुत बार ट्राई किया और मुझे बहुत पसंद है, और नंबर 3 ऐसा आइटम्स जिनके बारे में नीदर डू आई लाइक देम नॉर डू आई डिसलाइक देम बट यूनिक। ऐसे आइटम्स को हम लेंगे और 300 रुपए में ज्यादा से ज्यादा आइटम्स लाने का ट्राई करेंगे। आज हमारे फॉलोअर्स है 312, यानी कि आज का हमारा बजट होगा 312 रुपीज। सो लेट्स हेड टू द सुपरमार्केट एंड सी व्हाट वी कैन गेट। What the
2,000 years later.
Hello everyone, we are back in the car and now let me give you all a quick haul. Of what all we got yesterday.
Thanks to Instamart, I didn't have to get a bag worth 9 rupees.
And the very first thing that we got is ta-da! A classic French baguette with some seeds on it.
I've never had a baguette before, so that's why we took this.
Obviously, baguette के साथ क्या बनाया जा सकता है? The very first thing that came into my mind was a sandwich, and that's why we got a barbecue mayonnaise. ब्रांड का नाम नहीं दिखाएंगे क्योंकि उन्होंने हमें पैसे नहीं दिए हैं. And I tasted this yesterday, and I swear to God, it tastes horrible. So not a big fan. And if we eat it with something like a baguette or sandwich, maybe it tastes good. Like it doesn't make that big of a difference. I think I did put my 120 rupees to waste, but let's just pretend this never happened. Another thing which we got yesterday is the green lettuce. Why is it packed in a blue dabba, you guys ask? Because it was turning black the second I kept in my fridge. It didn't had any problem when it was kept in that damn refrigerator of Dorabji's. So I did the obvious thing which a normal functioning person would do, which is to ask ChatGPT. And ChatGPT told me to put this in an airtight box. So that's what we have kept it in. And there are some onions in it because we are gonna make sandwich and I like raw onion. Then myself, like if there was a choice to choose my life and raw onions, I would go for raw onions because what the fuck even am I doing with my own life? Raw onions because we are making sandwiches. The fourth thing which we got is black water. Yes, मैंने कभी जिंदगी में black water नहीं पिया. I've never been that rich to drink black water. But yesterday I was like, if I'm spending money on something which I've never had, why not get black water? This water says it has 0 calories on it. वैसे भी कहाँ पानी में calories होती है? US में अलग पानी होता है क्या calories वाला? खैर, black water. सबसे पहले हम ट्राई करेंगे हमारा ब्लैक वाटर. Trying black water for the first time, kinda nervous. It kinda looks like Coke, so I hope this tastes good as well. You better not disappoint me, bitch. You cost 60 fucking rupees. You better not. The second you drink it, you feel nothing. You feel like you are drinking normal average water, but it changed my mouth ka texture thoda sa. Oh no, it's hitting something. We are onto something, but we are not able to clock it. Bro, this shit hits. Like this is onto something. Like this hits somewhere inside your mouth, inside your throat, that you are left with nothing. There is a start, but there is no end. This is very normal. This is very average, but just the thing is like a little hint of something at the end when you drink it. I don't know if you all should buy it or not. It's nothing different, guys. It's just of a different color with some 8+ pH, which is alkaline, obviously, and then it contains essential minerals and 0 calories. Tastes nothing different.